Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss about aloe vera, which is also known as Kumari. Its scientific name is Aloe barbadiensis. Let's talk about aloe vera. It is a sacred plant of Atharva Veda in Hindu culture. It is known as Rasayan or rejuvenating herb in Ayurveda, which is very useful for skin. It is also known as plant of immortality due to long history of its use in traditional medicines. It is mentioned as single herb that is used in many formulations. It is also known as wonder plant due to wide range of its health and medicinal benefits. Alexander and Christopher Columbus used aloe vera to treat wounds of soldiers. Let's talk about classical synonym of aloe vera. It is also known as Ghrit Kumari due to presence of ghee-like or pasteurized leaf pith. Grey Kanya, as it is mostly used by women. Kanya, mostly used by women, and Kumari due to its widely used by females. Mata, because aloe vera is regarded as caring and protective herb like mother. Dirg Pattar, as aloe vera contain long leaves, amra due to its rejuvenating and anti-aging properties. Let's discuss about vernacular names of aloe vera. In English, it is known as aloe vera. In Sanskrit, it is known as Kumari, Ghrit Kumari. In Hindi, it is known as Gwar Patha. In Bengali, it is known as Ghrit Kumari. In Malayalam, it is known as Kumara. In Gujarati, it is known as Kadvi Kuwar. In Punjabi, aloe vera is known as Kuwar. In Urdu, it is known as Kawar Gandal. Now we'll discuss about classical categorization of aloe vera. According to Bhaprakash Nighantu, it is categorized into Guduchyadi Varg. According to Raj Nighantu, it is divided into Parpatadi Varg. According to Kaidev Nighantu, it is categorized into Aushadhi Varg. Now we'll discuss about ancient verse of aloe vera. Kumari Bhedni Shita Tikta Netraya Rasayani Madhura Vringni Balya Vrishya Vat Vish Pranut. According to above shlok, aloe vera is very effective in the management of constipation. It contains cold potency, bitter and sweet taste, effective for eye disorders, rejuvenating, nourishing, increase strength, aphrodisiac, and remove toxins and aggravated vata from the body. Now we'll discuss next ancient verse of aloe vera. गुल्म प्लीह यकृत वृद्धि कफ ज्वर हरि हरेत ग्रंथ्य अग्नि दग्ध विस्फोट पित्त रक्त त्वग आम्यान. According to above shlok, aloe vera is effective in abdominal tumors, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly, fever due to kapha dosha, abnormal growth, fire burns wound, blisters, bleeding disorders and skin problems. Now we'll discuss about morphology of aloe vera. It has a small shrub having a height of 30 to 60 centimeter. Leaves of aloe vera are green, thick, straight spread, somewhat concave, wide and having serrations. Its fruits are loculicidal. Let's discuss about flower of aloe vera. It has long flower stalk emerged from between the leaves which bears reddish yellow flowers. The flowering season of the plant is usually in the summer. Now we'll discuss about types of aloe vera. Curacao or Barbados aloes, which is chocolate brown in color and opaque in nature and found from Verbiana officinalis. Socotrine aloes, which is pale or brown black in color and found from Aloes perei. Zanzibar aloes, which is brownish in color just like color of liver. It is also extracted from Aloes perei. Cape aloes is extracted from Aloe ferox and it is dark brown in color. Now we'll discuss about habitat of aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely distributed in all over India. Its origin place is North Africa, Canary Island and Spain, from where it has spread to Western Island, India, China. Now we discuss about scientific classification of aloe vera. Kingdom of aloe vera is Plantae. Its phylum is Anthophyta. Its class is Liliocida. Its order is Liliales. Family of aloe vera is Asphodeliaceae. Its genus is Aloe and species is Barbadanisis. Now we discuss about pharmacological properties of aloe vera. Its rus or taste are bitter and sweet. Its gun or physical properties are heavy, uncoated, and stickiness. Its potency is cold. Post-digestion effect or vipak of aloe vera is katu or pungent. Aloe vera helps to pacify cough and pitta dosha. Now we'll discuss about chemical constituents of aloe vera. Aloe vera mainly contains barbelloin, alanine, imodin, auxins, and gibberellins, and salicylic acid. The chemical present in aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antioxidant, wound healing, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Now we'll discuss about properties of aloe vera. Netra, as it is very useful in eye disorders. Rasayani, as aloe vera contains rejuvenating properties. Balya, as aloe vera has nourishing effects. Vrishya, due to its aphrodisiac properties. Agnidagd, as aloe vera is very beneficial to treat burn wounds. Gulmhar, that is, it is very effective in abdominal tumor management. Yakrit pliha vriddhihar, as it is very effective in splenomegaly and hepatomegaly. Granthihar, as aloe vera is effective in tumors and fibroids. Bhedni, due to its property to clear obstructed motion. Now let's discuss about therapeutic properties of aloe vera. Aloe vera contain anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, wound healing, hepatomegaly, splenomegaly, antibacterial, anti-aging, anti-cancer, immunity booster, laxative, cure burns, anti-hyperlipidemic, analgesic, nervine tonic, etc. properties. Now we'll discuss about effect of aloe vera on different systems. Now first discuss about circulatory system. Due to bitter taste of aloe vera, it helps in purification of blood and also helps in reducing swelling. On excretory system, due to purgative properties of aloe vera, it is useful in management of constipation. On digestive system, aloe vera contain deepan, that is appetizing, and pachan, that is digestive properties, which helps in the management of indigestion. It also contain antimicrobial properties that helps in worm infections. On urinary system, aloe vera contain diuretic properties and helps in the management of diabetes. On reproductive system, due to uncoated and sticky nature of aloe vera, it contains spermatogenic effects. It is also useful in the regulation of menstruation. It helps in increasing blood flow in the uterus. On skin, aloe vera is widely used herb in the management of various skin problems. It also promotes hair health. Aloe vera helps to reduce inflammation and provide moisturizing effect to the skin. External use of aloe vera, it helps in wound and inflammation management due to wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Pulp of aloe vera helps in eye problem and headache. Now we'll discuss about part use of aloe vera. Leaves or patra are widely used for medicinal properties. Now we'll discuss about doses of aloe vera. Leaf pulp of aloe vera is used at a dose of 1 to 3 gram. Fresh juice of aloe vera is used at a dose of 10 to 20 ml. Its Kumari Sar or Alua is used at a dose of 125 to 150 mg. Now let's discuss about some classical formulation of aloe vera, that is Kumari Asav, Kumari Pak. Now we'll discuss about some home remedies of aloe vera. In constipation, 10 gram of aloe vera pulp is made into paste. Add 2 gram of rock salt and mix them well. Boil to evaporate water content. Take it at a dose of 3 to 6 gram once daily. In skin problems, mix turmeric and neem powder in pulp of aloe vera and apply it on acne, scars, blackheads, dark spots, or infected acne in which pus is discharged. It is also useful in sunburn and hyperpigmentation. In diabetes, freshly made aloe vera juice can be taken at a dose of 15 to 30 ml mixed with same amount of water. That helps to manage high levels of blood sugar. In case of dry mouth, apply aloe vera pulp around mouth and leave it for a few minutes. Rinse the mouth with the water. Apply it 3 to 4 times a day. Drink 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice daily in case of dry mouth. Also use its juice to rinse mouth once or twice daily. In case of obesity, take half teaspoon of aloe vera pulp and heat it little. Add 1 teaspoon of honey in it and take it night. Or you can also take half teaspoon of aloe vera pulp and heat it little. Add 1 teaspoon of triphala powder in it and make a paste of it with honey. Take this paste with 1 cup of water at night. Now we'll discuss about Planet Ayurveda product that contain aloe vera. These are Aloe Vitals, Kumari Sar, Radiant Skin Hair Nails Formula, Aloe Vera Scrub Oil Control Face Wash, Akik Pishti De-Grease Face Wash, Go Rich Hair Shampoo. Thank you all. I hope you all like information about aloe vera. If you have any query regarding home remedies or anything, you can mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।